AI video is getting more advanced every day and it's blowing my mind. Just 1 year ago, we had these very goofy AI videos. And now we have AI tools that can create amazing videos that you can't even tell it's AI sometimes. Now they're getting very accurate with real-world physics and camera motion and angles. I mean, check out these amazing videos from Sora. And now we also have these new demos from Runway Gen-3, and they look amazing. But these two tools haven't been released yet, and what we have access to right now is Dream Machine by Luma Labs. So I wanted to share some of my creations with you to show you how amazing these tools can get and also how weird they can get. So I'm gonna share with you some of the videos that I generated, and I'll show you exactly how I generated them. So kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. There you have it. I'm so excited to see where this technology goes in the very near future. Seems like we're getting new updates every day, keeping in mind that what you saw today is actually the worst it's ever going to be. So it's only going to be improving from here. So subscribe to my channel so that you can stay updated with the most amazing AI tools. You can also subscribe to my newsletter where I'll share with you just my favorite new AI tools in quick recaps. If you like the video, hit the like button and see you next time.